Ever deleted something in ClickUp and instantly wished you could get it back? Don't worry, you're not alone, it happens to the best of us. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact process for restoring deleted items inside ClickUp. Whether it's an accidental project deletion or you simply changed your mind, you'll know exactly how to bring those items back by the end of this video. Let's dive in and see how this works using a simple example. Imagine you're tidying up your workspace and decide to delete a project. To do this, you just need to look at the project and find the three little dots next to its name. That More Options menu is incredibly useful in ClickUp. It's where you'll find all sorts of actions you can take. Give those dots a click and from the list choose Delete. Now, once you confirm, your project will vanish from the main workspace view. But don't worry, it's not gone forever just yet. It's moved into ClickUp's trash, sort of like a safety net that catches anything you delete, just in case you change your mind. So what if you realize you actually need that project back? Here's what you do. Look to the top of your screen up where your profile avatar or picture is. You'll want to click there. This spot isn't just for account details. It holds plenty of useful shortcuts, including access to the trash. Once you've clicked your profile, you should see Trash somewhere in that drop-down menu. Click on Trash, and this will open up a new view where you can see everything you've deleted recently. Projects, tasks, folders, all stored neatly for recovery. Now, this part can take a moment if you've deleted a lot of items or if the workspace is shared with a big team. Take your time browsing through the trash. You can use the search bar if you already know the name of the item you deleted, which makes things much faster. Otherwise, scroll through the list until you spot what you're looking for. It's like finding a favorite shirt in the laundry basket after you thought you lost it. Once you find the deleted project, or whatever item you want to restore, move your attention to the right side of the trash screen. Next to every item, there will be a Restore button. Click that, and ClickUp will instantly put your item back into its original spot. Depending on the size of the project or folder, it may take a few moments for everything to reload, so just let ClickUp work its magic. Restoring items is a lifesaver, especially when you're working on something important with deadlines. Never feel embarrassed if you need to go back and grab something you deleted. Most productivity tools, including ClickUp, include features like Trash and Restore exactly for situations like this. It keeps your workflow safe, and you're never just one click away from disaster. So now if you or anyone on your team accidentally deletes an important project, you can calmly bring it back just by following these steps. It saves time, effort, and let's face it, sometimes a little panic. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or if there's a trick you use for keeping your workspace organized, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this, and I'll see you in the next one.